morning students, good morning parents, welcome back NCERT online class. I am Mithun Sarkar, your online teacher, always with you. Students, more times in class or in home, we need to write different sentence related to tense. That means, but we cannot understand in which place, which types of sentence we need to use. Today, I teach you very easy and simple way to remember a tense and with example. So take your pencil and copy and let's start with your teacher. Student, I write here tense. Tense means basically related to time or okay. Why I write it is time? Because we will discuss here example so you can understand very easily. Student, tense mainly three types. Okay. First one is past tense, then present tense, then future tense. Number one, past tense. Past tense means yesterday's work. Yesterday's work. Why write yesterday's work? I'll give you example so you can understand very easily. Example number one, I studied studied English. When it is past tense, it is verb second form, id. Okay, that's why write studied also. That means previous days or it is past tense. Then number two, I give you one example, it is better. I watched a video. Number two, present tense. Present. Present tense means today's work. That means what you do now. You are now watch this video. That means it is present tense. Okay, now I give you example so you can understand very well. Number one, I write here I studied English. It is past, but I write same sentence here. I study English. Student, follow this. When I write past, it is studied, but when I write present, that means today's work, it is study. Okay. Then same example here. I watched, then ed, a video. It is past tense. But when I write present, I watched a video. Like this, one is future tense. You note down it, then I will write the number 3. If you practice like this, it is very easy to remember you. Okay, and I hope you will not forget. Okay, I think all of you note down it. So I write the number 1, and if you cannot note down with me, you watch this video again and note down, no problems. Number 3 is future tense. Future tense means tomorrow's work. Tomorrow's work. Past tense means yesterday's work, present tense means today's work, and future tense means tomorrow's work. Okay, now give example. I write here I study English, and we need to write here I will study English. The number B, I will watch a video. Student, we not write tomorrow, but if follow this, it is related to tomorrow, because I will study English tomorrow, I will watch a video tomorrow. Then here I study English today, I watch a video today, and when it is past tense, I studied English yesterday, I watched a video yesterday. So I hope all of you understand, and it is very helpful to you. So you practice it and stay with your teacher. Okay, thank you all of you, take care.